Hello Aquarius, welcome new viewers, cross watchers and my lovely moonians. This is a monthly reading for July 2021. We will be looking into love, the 3D energies and also whatever else the universe has for us, alright? So let's begin. Spirit, what do we need to know for the month of July? Thank you. We have 5 of materials coming through, which is 5 of coins or pentacles, and it is talking about certain kind of feeling left out in a certain way is coming through, a missed opportunity that you may be thinking or overly thinking about is also the energy which is coming through. It could be that you may have taken the step of putting an end to a situation and now the results of it will be coming in. Is also the energy which is coming through. I just want to see more. We have 2 of materials also coming in, certain kind of decision making which is happening. Multitasking, you are a great multitasker, and this is saying don't worry, you'll be able to manage each and every aspect of your life beautifully is also the energy which is coming through. Make best of what is in front of you is also coming in. Let go of the lack is coming through. We have 8 of voices also coming in, which is 8 of swords coming through, and this is talking about certain kind of anxiety that may be lingering on and you need to let go of that. Or this also talks about it is time for you to let go of the illusionary veil of fear, anxiety and doubt and really look at the situation more clearly is also coming through. With the 5 and the 2 of coins coming in, adding up to, I was just thinking about something else. Adding up to 7, there is the 7 of materials energy also which we are going towards. 7 of coins, which talks about having patience. And while things are maturing up, don't let fear obscure your vision or your point of view is the energy which is coming in. Let's not overthink is also coming through over here. Quite shaky hands there. I want to get more clarity, just a second. While I was going to find this deck, I was also told that if there are two projects coming in, I feel like don't doubt yourself. You will be able to handle them both is also coming in efficiently, effectively, all of that diligently. Any kind of clarification? Thank you. We have the 7 of swords coming through, which is talking about new information which is very much required, and there's a lot of fear which is coming in. I want to understand what kind, why is it there. And we have the Knight of Cups also coming in. Someone who may be waiting upon a certain kind of offer to come through. This may also be talking about maybe you are focusing too much on your finances that you need to focus on your romantic life or your personal life or vice versa. This is also talking about letting go of old mentality wherein certain kind of relationship didn't work out and you may be still holding on to grudges and you need to let go of that energetic bond is also coming in order for you to pursue new love perhaps, or to further understand more authentically what you're feeling right now emotionally towards another person is also coming in. But certain kind of fear or stress or the stagnation of some sorts or certain kind of uncertainty which may be plaguing your mind is the energy which is coming in. 5 of swords also coming through. There are a few energies which are coming in. I'll see which one. I feel also someone may be making a decision of moving on, ending a certain kind of relationship equation is also coming through. If at your job, if you feel that you're not really, the work that you're doing is making you financially secure, but it is not feeding your soul, that kind of energy is also coming in. This may be a time of experimenting what you really like and how can you come up with a specialization, maybe infusing it with a little bit of your own flair or certain kind of passionate hobby of yours, a real talent of yours which you can merge with your current work status, work profile is also coming in, or maybe starting something small business, very macro level business is also coming through. Clear your vision is also coming in. There's certain kind of inhibition which is coming through over here. Now, is it in regards to another person? Is it in regards to a friend? Is it in regards to a family member? Is it in regards to your job? Or whatever it is, we need to overcome that is the energy which is coming in over here. Certain things that you, maybe even associations which you need to let go of, because we have the Neptune also in retrograde until the 1st of December, I suppose. So there's this illusionary veil which is coming to an end, and it's coming through very, very strongly over here. Letting go of old fears, freeing yourself to express yourself freely, that kind of energy is coming in. Let's look onto the other side, who is getting channeled in for Aquarians. The sun could be a Leo. Fire signs are Sagittarius, Aries and Leo. Some good news which will be putting this to an end is also quite prominent. Success will be coming in, so don't stress about that, is also getting highlighted. The first card coming in is the 9 of emotions, which is the 9 of cups coming in reverse, looks like a 6. There are certain kind of healing which someone is undergoing or needs to undergo before coming towards you, before realizing what their dreams are, or someone who is feeling that you are a dream that they missed out on, that kind of an opportunity, missed out energy which is coming in, someone who is missing you. We have the Fool card also coming in, which is Aquarius major arcana, so you are on their mind, but they are very scared is the energy. I don't know why are we channeling so much of like the scare, fear of taking the leap of faith, getting serious with someone. Why do we keep ourselves so guarded? This person is being reminded that there are beautiful life experiences, magical life experiences ahead of them. What is stopping you is the energy which is coming in. They are coming in as their own biggest opponent at the moment, is the energy which is coming through for them to fully realize their own potential. We have 7 of inspiration, 7 of wands which is coming through. I feel like this person, if you're waiting for them to make a move, this person is first freeing themselves from any kind of obligation or obstacles that may be keeping them apart and keeping them away from pursuing their dreams is also coming in. This could also be them realizing their own capability and coming to the frequency of manifesting and abundance, and all of that is the energy which is coming in for the divine timing to be right, for them to be able to trust this leap of faith. That kind of energy is coming in. They want to simplify life. They want to become aware of what is stopping them from dreaming bigger. That is also coming in, and that you are part of their dream is also coming through. They're becoming clearer. They're overcoming inner demons is also coming in. If this is an ex of yours, they want to amend things and they want to apologize is also coming through. They want to let go of the ego and come in wholeheartedly, honestly is also coming through. And until and unless they become clear, they're not going to come towards you is also the energy which is coming in over here. Certain kind of apprehensions which are there and their lack of action may be causing a little bit of anxiety over here is the energy which is coming in. You could also be deciding upon 2 people or more than one options. Let's see what the romance angels have for you. They're realizing their mistakes is also the energy which is coming in. Could be like they said something bluntly perhaps and then they now regret saying so is also coming through. We have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring, and that energy came in over here also. To clear ourselves from the fear and allow our heart to speak, to understand, fully understand what are we feeling and not be afraid of it. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance, and that is what is coming in over here also. They want to remain hopeful, but something they feel like they can't approach you or talk to you about it is also coming in. Maybe they've lost an opportunity and they aren't sure whether or not you'll want them back is also coming through. They're trying to be optimistic about the new start, but there are certain kind of apprehensions that they have to work upon is the energy. At the bottom, we have let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. So this may be coming in. Take the time to understand how your own feelings, even if this is a established established relationship, your feelings are evolving, and at that time you don't have to let them lead is also coming in. Let them take the initiative is also coming through. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. This person is being asked to be more optimistic and not listen to their own negative inner saboteur anymore, because it is self-limiting, and they want to let go of the grasp of the past. That is the energy coming in, and then come towards you to make the effort of making things work with you. We have forgiving and learning also. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments, and they want to spend good times with you and like happily be with you is also coming in. Maybe this person puts you on a pedestal. Too good to be true, not too good to be true, I don't deserve you kind of a thing that they have to overcome on their own. For some, this you may not know this person's, you may feel it, but they haven't spoken about this is also coming in, like they're thinking this intensely, extensively. If this is a new connection is coming through, let's look into the channeled messages. Thank you. We have, I'm happy for you, but I'm also jealous. This could be like if they know that you are with someone and they're saying that they are happy for you, but they're jealous of the person you are with is also coming in. So they have feelings, but they have to work up their strength to come towards you. We have, I'm really glad for everything that led me to you is coming in. So they do acknowledge the fact that this was somewhere down the line very much divinely guided in a way, and they're just grateful for having crossed your path is the energy which is coming in. We have our connection still does a number on me. How about you? Wow, the way I'm just clearing my throat suddenly. This person heavily thinks about you. They may internalize a lot, but they are thinking about you a lot. You still have an effect on them. And they're wondering whether or not you still feel the same way or the connection, because they're realizing, or perhaps they are awakening to how strong this connection truly is, how deep it goes. I've thought about messaging you way too many times already. If this is a no contact situation, they've come to a point where they've typed out a message in text perhaps, and or thought about calling you, but they didn't then. Like they wrote a few paragraphs and then they deleted it. That kind of a energy which is coming in over here. Alright, we'll take it. We have life's a handful right now. I can't do more. That's where the leap of faith, the Fool card coming in reverse, there is certain kind of resistance, things that they need to clear first, simplify, organize in their own life before they can come towards you. Lying came easier, truth was too hard. I'm sorry for lying to you, for being a little deceptive, for not showing myself fully, authentically. I came across initially with a facade because I felt the need of overly impressing you, and in that way I caged myself. You are adorable is coming in. Is this out of the frame? Not really. Okay, fine. We have, it's easier to blame it's easier to blame another. Denial is or was a thing. So they're coming in terms with the truth of the situation, how they reacted, overreacted, did not react at all, different scenarios, but they're realizing that you came in with a lot of genuine feelings, you're a genuine person, they get inspired by you. Um, but their ego and their past oh my god, today, self-defense mechanism got in the way. We have, if I could, I would, but with time, I think I just shouldn't. What is this person holding back with the mic drop over there? This person feels restricted in a certain way. They have very genuine feelings, very deep feelings also. They adore you a lot. They love every aspect of yours. The playful side, the intellectual side, the leader side, the freedom seeker, wanderlust side, and every layer that you have. Every petal that makes the flower in you blossoming, ever blossoming kind of a thing. But still they feel so restricted, bound by something. There's a certain kind of pent-up energy which is coming in. Maybe there's a distance, so they're overly missing you and thinking about you, and they don't want to disturb you in any way. That kind of a thing is coming in. Apart from that, whenever you meet this person, acts a little oddly because they're fascinated and crushing on you, falling in love with you. They get nervous and they don't know what to say, and that is out of their character, is also coming in. But they really, really love you is coming through. They really, really value you, and maybe the feelings are very overwhelming that they don't really know what to say, or they get a little mum when they meet you. That is coming in. The brain stops working at the sight of you. I'd say if this is a new connection, then just give them time. Allow them to feel confident enough, secure enough to express how they really feel. If this is an ongoing connection, long-term connection, there may be certain kind of filtering which is happening right now. Like before the polar opposites meet, the two energies meet, there could be certain kind of friction, very small sparks which help you become more closer to each other. That kind of energy is also coming in. You're getting to know this person on a more personal level, on a different level now, is also the energy which is coming in over here. Okay, we'll take this. Find balance is coming in. This reminds me of Temperance, Sagittarius energy. Okay. Find the balance between your work, rest, and playtime, and you will have more energy, harmony, and productivity in your life. Take a power nap. Remember to not overly schedule yourself, overly work yourself out, that you have no energy left to handle anything else, that kind of a thing. If you're reaching a saturation point, just take a break. Tomorrow is another day. Remember that. Do something fun today. That kind of energy is coming in. If you've been feeling a little low energy wise, I feel the energy is growing now. Take small breaks is also coming in. If you have a long-term goal which stretches out for some months or a few years, make small goals also, so that on the process of achieving that milestone, we are enjoying the journeys with small perks. We have magical blessings coming through. Whatever you are going through, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. With the 3 fairies over here, this is like certain kind of resolution which gives you a lot of satisfaction, and you're looking forward to celebrate times together. That kind of a thing is coming in. Good news which will be coming in. Blessings in disguise will be coming through. Life truly supporting you is also coming in. So letting go of this bubble or certain kind of this mirage of cloudiness that may be around you. Go deep within. Do some shadow work. It will help. Realize where are these fears stemmed from. And as you become aware of those, embrace them, look into them, and then start the healing process so that you can release it and clear that energy. Once and for all is the energy which is coming through. While this person is discovering or becoming more comfortable with you, whatever it is, whatever version of self-discovery or realization, acknowledgement which is happening over here. I feel like this side you, because this side is Aquarius for me, is being asked to focus on your independence and how can you at the same time balance it out by working together with another person, with your team, or in general with others is the energy which is coming through over here. This could also indicate certain kind of mental block which is causing a little bit of angst in you. So take some time off, do something fun which allows your creativity to flow, and then come back with fresh pairs of eyes, and the solution or resolution will be in front of you is the energy which is coming through over here. That is what is coming in. So do let me know if this resonated with you, and I would really like to hear what you have to say. If something over here made you think of a question, let me know, because I like to do pick a cards according to my viewers also, whatever they like. I would love your suggestion. But if you enjoyed it, then please do hit the thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. It means a lot. And do subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, love, light, healing, abundance, prosperity, joys, memories, celebrations, and progress to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.